Well, the Garden City Special School is dedicating 7 weeks of the semester to educating pupils on COVID-19 and preventive protocols. This is targeted at enhancing adherence to safety protocols among the students with special needs. Nana Aljima visited the school for children with special needs. Here is his report.
It's break time here at Garden City Special School at Asokore Mampong in Kumasi. Various class teachers are joined by the school head, convincing students with special needs to wear their face mask. Some have dropped the masks to their chin, as others hide them in their pockets. In the joy of meeting friends after the long COVID-19 school break, the children ignore calls from their teachers to space up. At the dining hall, head teacher Roslyn Ejapon attempts to find out how much these students know about the pandemic. Some of them give interesting answers.
We have to wear the nose masks, wash our hands and also sanitize our hands, and also stay distant.
Over school no udisa anema we nyina so oye
The pandemic is not over. It's still there. I tell my colleagues to keep a distance so they don't get the virus and die.
One of the students, Kingsley Opoku, is worried cases of COVID-19 continue to rise. Hence his decision to keep his mask on and his sanitizer in his pockets. The pandemic started in 2020 and it has stayed with us to date. It hasn't subsided. Intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior are limitations of children with special needs. Though the school authorities admit ensuring adherence to the protocols will be difficult, they assured a lot is being done. Mrs. Ejapon explains.
So for the first 7 weeks, we are just going to talk about COVID-19 with the children. We know about 60% of them will get it. The others, we will have to help them to go through the protocols every day. And even the 60% that I am envisaging that they will get it, we need to supervise because they have short-term memory. So and the way they learn is through reinforcing, through repetition. And that's what we are going to do with the protocols. You need to always remind them to do what you want them to do.
Already, teachers have been assigned to student groups to aid adherence to the protocols. Also, regular disinfection will be done in classrooms, dormitories, and dining halls to ensure safety of students.
For the boys, we didn't have a problem. Their beds are spaced, well spaced. For the girls, we had a challenge because the beds were together. So we had to create a room and send all their clothes outside from the dormitories. So now we have big spaces for them in the dormitories, and the girls can also observe the social distancing. Now, when they come to the classrooms, the desks, in our classrooms, we are allowed to put mats on the floor for some to sit on. So those who do not want to sit on chairs, or those that we think can't distance themselves enough, we put them on the mat. Because for them, you'll be teaching and somebody will be sleeping.
From Kumasi for JoyNews, Nana Aljima reporting.